Everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Skillful Learning. So today we are going to do lesson 0 of book Oshante 1, Bonjour la France. So without any delays, let's start. First, here's the text. Hey Sarah, did you know the French is the official language in more than 40 countries? That is how French is the second most used language after English in the world. So this text explains that French is actually the second most spoken language after English, and in more than 40 countries, French is spoken as the official language. So over here, the first image we have is this is a Gallic rooster, Le Coq Gallus. The Gallic rooster is one of the national symbols of France. It is the symbol of pride. So national symbol of France is Le Coq Gallus. Second image over here we have is of Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon was the greatest French emperor of the 18th century. So Napoleon Bonaparte was a very famous French emperor of the 18th century of France. Third image is La Fête Nationale. July 14th, La 14 Juillet, is celebrated as the national day in France. Means La Fête Nationale stands for the National Day of France that is celebrated on 14th July. It is also known as Bastille Day. So the fourth image over here we have is Le Drapeau Français. Le Drapeau Français is the national flag of France. So it is a tricolored flag. The three colors are blue, white and red. So it's bleu, blanc and rouge. So in French, the spelling of blue, white and red, they obviously change. So blue is spelled as BLEU. U and E interchange their places. So it's BLEU. White is BLANC and red is ROUGE. Bleu, Blanc and Rouge. Le Tour de France. Le Tour de France is a very famous annual cycle race held in the month of July in France. So, one of the most famous cycle race of France is Le Tour de France. So, here we come on the second page of the chapter. La France est connue pour beaucoup de choses comme le fromage, le pain, le perfume, la mode, etc. So France is famous for many of the things such as cheese, bread, perfume, fashion, monuments and many other more things. So here are some images of the pictures. These are basically the things because of which France is really famous and known. So Le Brie and Le Camembert. These are the very two famous fromage. Fromage is the cheese. So these are very famous cheese of France, the most famous ones. Rather, there are 1,000 different types of cheese in France. So these two are really famous. So we have mentioned only these two. Here you can see Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel is the name of the fashion designer who created this brand Chanel. You must have heard the bags of Chanel or many other things of Chanel. So Coco Chanel is the name of the creator of this brand and Chanel is the brand. Le euro. Le euro is the currency of France. Like in India we have rupees, in France we have euro. Le euro. La parfume. Parfume is the perfume. You can see Coco Chanel written on it again. So le escargot is the snail and la baguette is the bread. Paris, la ville du Marais. So Paris, which is the capital of France, it is also known as La Ville Lumière. So what does La Ville Lumière means? La Ville Lumière means the city of lights. So here we have the two main reasons why Paris was known as the City of Lights. Paris was called the City of Lights because the first street lights of the world were introduced in Paris. Yes, the world's first street lights were introduced in Paris. Paris is the capital of France. Paris played a leading role during the Age of Enlightenment. During the Age of Enlightenment, Paris played a major role at that time, at that era. Now here we have some famous monuments and cathedrals, the churches of France. So very very famous is the Eiffel Tower. We all must have seen it in many movies and heard about it. So Eiffel Tower is known as La Tour Eiffel. La Tour Eiffel. Eiffel Tower is La Tour Eiffel. So Eiffel Tower is the tallest structure of France. It was constructed in 2 years. It took time of 2 years to be constructed by Gustave Eiffel from the year 1887 to 1889. It is 324 meter in height. So Gustave Eiffel was the one who built the Eiffel Tower, and it took 2 years to build the Eiffel Tower from 1887 to 1889. Now we have La Cathédrale de Notre Dame and L'Arc de Triomphe. These are also two very famous monuments. Now, if we talk about the museums, the two famous museums about which it's given in the book is Le Musée du Louvre and Le Musée d'Orsay. Le Musée du Louvre, Le Musée d'Orsay. Louvre is the famous historical museum of France. The world's most renowned artwork, Mona Lisa, is kept here. So, a really, really famous painting, Mona Lisa, made by Leonardo da Vinci, is kept in the Louvre Museum. Thus, it is also known as the Historical Museum of France. If we talk about the Le Musée d'Orsay, so it was housed in a grand railway station built in 1900s. So it is the National Museum of France. This is the Historical Museum of France and this is the National Museum of France. So here now we have a page full of Disney characters and their names. What are they called in French? Snow White, Aladdin, Donald Duck, Mickey Mouse and Goofy. Dingo, Mickey la Souris, Donald the Canard, Aladdin. So now finally we have the vocab. It means like some words which are often used in the chapter and the translation is given in the English. La Euro is Euro. La Cathedral is cathedral or church. La Drapeau Français is French flag. La Escargot is snail. Le Fromage is cheese. Le Musée de Louvre is Louvre Museum. La Mode is fashion. Le Musée d'Orsay is Orsay Museum. Le Perfume is perfume. La Tour Eiffel is Eiffel Tower. Le Tour de France is the bicycle race of France. And La Ville d'Humere is the city of lights. Now, there are some exercises and these are really, really easy. So in the first question, you have to just match the followings. You have a few words given with you. You just have to match them with the given images. Like the Le Fromage is cheese and here you can see the image of cheese. You just have to match it. Or you can just write A like this. Next, just write the missing letters and draw the pictures. So you are given like OU. Then what will it form? Louvre, FR dash dash A dash E. That's fromage and many more. Now the third question is you have to color the French flag. So the French